Dongfeng Nissan's first pure electric model N7, produced with Tianyan new technology architecture, the pinnacle of technologies, was introduced at the press conference and attracted great attention. N7 inherits Nissan's classic V-motion design. V-shaped headlights extend from the front to the body, creating a dynamic stance. The vehicle also features innovative smart lighting elements with interactive light language design for the front and rear headlights. Users can draw and import patterns and texts with simple operations to better reflect the owner's personality. On the body side, N7's golden ratio of 0.618, combined with the 3x wheel axle ratio, has achieved a more fluid and unique beauty. Looking at the body dimensions, the new car's length, width and height are 4930/1895/1487 mm, and the wheelbase is 2915 mm. We can say that it easily reaches the space of a medium-large sedan with the dimensions of a midsize car. As a sofa factory, to make the journey more comfortable, Nissan has also equipped N7 with the original AI zero-pressure cloud blanket seat. The seat is equipped with 49 sensors that can accurately detect body pressure changes of 1 millinewton. Not only that, this seat also uses the industry's first adaptive posture AI core algorithm, which can continuously learn and update like a mind-reading assistant, ensuring that passengers are always seated comfortably. Whether it's daily commuting or long-distance family travel, everyone can enjoy a more comfortable driving experience. When it comes to comfort, you can be sure of Nissan. The new smart cockpit also features advanced smart driving features. In terms of smart cockpit, N7 adopts Nissan's brand new design. Equipped with a suspended full LCD instrument panel and a 15.6-inch 2.5K central control screen, the car is equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon's latest 8295P cockpit chip, providing powerful computing power support for the vehicle system. Whether it is navigation, entertainment, or opening the app, it can work smoothly. At the same time, the DeepSeek R1 large model was also introduced in the car, and it is stated that the voice interaction is also quite intelligent. For example, when you say, "I'm a little cold," the system can automatically adjust the air conditioning temperature, and the expansion functions can be further strengthened in the future. At the same time, high-end intelligent driving is also one of the highlights of this press conference. Dongfeng Nissan and Momenta jointly created a high-end intelligent driving system based on an end-to-end large model, with functions such as highway navigation NOA, city memory navigation NOA, and full-scene intelligent parking. For example, highway navigation can realize automatic lane changing, overtaking, and other operations, while city memory navigation is designed for complex road conditions in cities. Through a large amount of training and data accumulation, it can realize functions such as automatic following and avoiding pedestrians. The full-scene intelligent parking function can easily handle both parallel parking and reversing into the garage, which is very practical for those who have difficulty parking. Although the specific power data of the new car was not disclosed at this press conference, referring to the information previously disclosed by the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, N7 will offer two single-motor models with maximum power of 160 kilowatts and 200 kilowatts, respectively, which can meet the power needs of different consumers. The pure electric range of the long-range model will exceed 600 kilometers. In addition, N7 is equipped with an advanced thermal management system. By presetting the energy flow mode, adding smart control switching and black technologies such as engine waste heat recovery and battery insulation, air conditioning can save 10% energy in summer and heating can save 30% to 40% energy in winter. The cruising range is directly increased by 15%, and every kilowatt-hour of electricity can be fully utilized. As for fast charging, there is no range anxiety as the 800V platform can fill 400 kilometers in less than 7 minutes.